We are going to take the Silverado 1500 RST lifted to get some Starbucks. And in today's video, we're gonna see if I can find the perfect coffee, as lately I have not been able to. And I don't think the sweet cream cold brew is really coffee. It's more like a dessert type of drink, but I have spent the last 24 or so hours with this truck, and I can say with certainty that I like it more than the Ford. It's more rugged truck, right? My only discrepancy with it is that online it says it's 52,000. That's what it says it's listed for, but the sticker says 79. So we'll see what's up with that. The Corvette to Starbucks video did 100K views. I know this won't do 100K views. So with that in mind, I'm really not trying to get rid of the Corvette, but I have a lot of equity in that car, and I don't know, it'd be a cool change. This is a pretty basic truck. There aren't a lot of features besides you have your modes, your 4 high, 4 low, and your 2 high, and then your auto mode, trailer hitch mode. You have your gauge lighting, your bed lighting, headlight controls here, and then here you have some heated seats and your AC control stack with passenger heated seats as well. No cool seats. No cameras. You only have the back camera, which is good for when you want to reverse. Going forward is a little difficult, but I'm sure over time you'll get a hang of it as you drive this large vehicle. And it's rather comfortable. It's very comfortable, actually. Surprising, because in my Ford videos I always said Ford is the most comfortable, and I guess it is. I'm trying to think about how the Tremor drove. The Tremor drove really nice. Obviously you don't have these kind of tires and this kind of lift, but I've never seen a truck YouTuber, besides maybe 717 Street Speed. He has a lot of cool trucks. He doesn't really make content on them. From a business aspect, for my channel, even the Corvette is better. But I don't know, someone commented on my video saying that I could get a truck and then get a Corvette later, so, and have both. But we'll see. We will see. He's got a lot going on. There's also no blind spot monitors. I think I went over that. No sunroof. I believe there's no parking sensor. It's a pretty base truck. It's the problem. It's got wireless CarPlay. It's got the lever. I think these come with the shifter, but I'm not sure. But yeah, we're gonna go to Starbucks, and we are going to see if I can get a good drink. In the Corvette video, going to Starbucks, it was horrible. Oh, this is not ideal. Oh my, bruh. Next to a state trooper is crazy. Gotta be careful. Like I was saying, we're gonna go and we're going to check out the Starbucks drink and try to get a coffee that tastes good. Nothing too fattening. I want something that'll wake me up. But when I say that, they end up giving me something like a nitro, and I didn't get to film it, and I almost puked. Horrible. So we're gonna see if these baristas are catching my vibe this morning, because that's their job. Starbucks barista is supposed to tailor a drink to you. We're gonna see how that goes. It does have auto source stop. I forgot to add that. Can I fit in the driveway? Oh, this is gonna be interesting. Wait. Did I leave my phone? Oh no, it's right there. ¿Qué pasó? Mira aquí, es grande troca. Good morning. So I'm not really too knowledgeable on coffee, but I need something that'll wake me up, but that's not as disgusting as a nitro. Is a sweet cream cold brew coffee?
Yeah, we just brew it longer than like iced coffee. We just make like hot coffee. You know, it takes like a couple minutes to brew it, but the cold brew we brew for like 20.
Okay, so let me get a vanilla sweet cream cold brew, a grande, and let me get 5 pumps of vanilla.
Anything else for you?
That's it. I ordered my usual because I don't want to waste money, but it is coffee. I just hope it's not as fattening as I think it is, because that sounds really fattening. And drinking that every day, I feel like I'm gonna turn around. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty mixed. It doesn't taste like piss, but it tastes pretty good. I've had worse. This thing's turning radius is insane. It's a peaceful morning before it gets hectic at work with all the clients and the insurance companies. And guys, I really just want to do YouTube, bro. I only want to do YouTube. YouTube has to replace 100,000 a year salary, which is very hard to do. Very difficult. Not impossible, but difficult. I don't have time. I feel like I don't have time. What's it gonna take, like 3 years for me to be where I think I am gonna be on YouTube? And I'll be 27. That's still young, but I don't know. I'm never gonna be younger than I am today. And neither are you watching this. If you're watching this, you'll never be younger than what you are right now. In this moment, in this minute, in this second. You will never be younger. And that, I don't know about you, is frightening. It's a nice G, that's not a G8, it's an M4. Oh, it is an M4. Old guy though. But those cars only are attractive to people who know cars. Otherwise, people don't really care. Corvettes get attention from kids, girls, everybody. But yeah, you'll never be younger. And time is going by so fast because when you're working, you get busy. And as you get busy, you don't notice. Days are flying. So just remember, wake up in the morning, go get a coffee, go enjoy your morning, take a walk, take a deep breath, and soak in every moment, because you'll never be younger than what you are right now. That might be a little bit cliche, but it's true, unfortunately. And be careful, because the world is a scary place. You never know what can happen on the road, and take care of your health, always exercise, stay healthy, because you don't know what sickness you can develop as you age. You just want to prolong the longevity of your life and enjoy every moment and be healthy. Which is why I probably shouldn't be drinking this every day. It's like a once in a while. Because it's like vanilla and syrup and probably stuff like that. I don't know what they put in it. I just know it's coffee. That's all I need right now. I mean, look, there are people like iShow's feed who are dead ass doing nothing, just like messing around, going places, and they're making more money than people, probably doctors make. So life is so unreal. It's so unreal. Life itself is just so fake, bro. But it really, what the who got a C8 over there? Oh, old guy. That's weird. I've never seen that. Over here. Interesting. So, like I said, life is fake, bro. You're just don't try too hard. Just live your life at this point. Be mindful. You don't want to end up homeless, but I mean, just make money and stack money and try to find other ways to make money than working a job. I mean, I'm blessed to be employed, but don't get me wrong, but it sucks. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure you drop a like, subscribe if you're new. If you're returning, subscribe as well, because we are growing exponentially. We're at 4.2 something, which is sick, almost at halfway to 10K subs. So make sure you sub up, turn on your post notifications, comment below your thoughts on the Silverado and your favorite truck and your favorite Starbucks drink, because I gotta get a healthier option. and I'll see you guys in the next video.